Okay guys, now let's try out this sum. Now rules are the same as mentioned earlier. Now there are a few things that you have got to know. You have got to know formula for if we differentiate a raised to fx, then it becomes a raised to fx log a and f prime x. Of course, there's the chain rule, all right, which we always follow. All right. Apart from that, another thing is we have got log here. So we have got to simplify this. We have got to remove log. And I have already told in my earlier videos to remove log, how we have got to keep it in mind. See, this 2, we take it here. Y goes up as the power and log disappears. All right. This is how it has to be. So how does it work? Now see, 2 goes there, I told. Okay, so I brought 2 here. Y goes up, I told. It becomes the power. Log disappears and this becomes x by 2. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now what do we do of this 2? See, we have got to take it in terms of x. So this 2 still exists. So what I do is, I do 2 raised to y multiplied by 2 is equal to x. Let me write x this side. So x is equal to, now see, as per law of indices, this takes the form of 2y plus 1. Whatever is multiple in power, it becomes plus 1. Alright, if it would have been 2 square, then it would have been plus 2. Fine. Okay. Now what? Now the step is to differentiate d by dy of x is equal to obviously d by dy of 2 raised to y plus 1. Alright. Now this is what I was telling you. This is what I was reminding you about the formula. Now this is a raised to fx. Now here it is fy obviously. So we have a. First we have got to write a fx. So that is what? That is what is 2y plus 1. And then log a, that is a is 2. So it would be log 2. And then f prime x. So log, so it is a 2y plus 1 log 2 and d by dy of y plus 1. So this is just the application of this formula which I told already, and obviously f prime x, that is chain rule. So we have got to also differentiate with respect to y, dy plus 1, y plus 1. All right. So what's the solution? The solution is this remains as it is, 2y plus 1 log 2 and d by dy of y plus 1 is 1. Now the substitution part. Now 2 raised to y plus 1 we already know is equal to x. So we just substitute over here x log 2. Alright, x log 2. X log 2 is what? Is dx over dy. But what are we interested in? We are interested in f prime y, which is equal to 1 over dx over dy, which is equal to 1 over x log 2. Alright, so this is our answer. Okay.